If you have brown eyes, this video's for you. Let me talk to you about some of my favorite eyeshadows. With brown eyes, you can go in and add some beautiful kind of peachy pink colors. You can add in mauves. Of course, you've got to have your standard browns and a couple of darker shades to really capture, but don't forget you can go from orange to pink. Okay, I'm starting with a color called Cafe, which is a really pretty taupey brown. Just using it as a transition shade. Going in with Cranberry, kind of building up the outer corner. Cranberry has a little bit of a sheen to it. Building up the outer corner with a little bit of Labyrinth, just to add that depth. Then I'm gonna go in and add some shine with Crush. I love adding Crush on the top of the lid. I will list all of my favorite shades for brown down below.